Hi, I'm Walker. I'm Top Ranch Bicycle Repairs. I'm the owner and founder of the business here. Been in operation for 10 years. Started out in high school and graduated from high school right here in Oregon. And then had after the graduation party, started in a small garage, then started working for the Bikes for Africa, which Al Brown started out with. It's helped them out. We learned a lot from each other from working on bikes. I also help out with the Oregon Rotary Club with their bike safety camp or bike rodeo. A lot of you guys are familiar with bike rodeo. I am one of the helpers that will come out and fix the kids' bikes up for no cost. What we do is pretty much we put them on our stands, fix them up, make sure your brakes are good. If they're not good, like this one right here, it's not braking, and we'll tune it up and get it working again. We just have a lot of seats here, different parts. We also have our new grips that just came in, so we're really excited with those. A lot of people like those kind of styles. These are your patch kits right here that will hold all your gear that you need. Small first aid kit you can put in there. We also provide a mobile service for people that don't want to come out to us. We understand the pandemic and everything. So we do actually have a mobile service that will come out to your house and fix your bikes there. I work on many certain bikes here. As you notice, this one right here is a Fat Boy. We have over here, we have a hybrid. I work on kids' bikes, all different varieties of bikes that will come in here, and nothing surprised me what comes in the front door here. I also sell used bicycles. That's mostly what we do. We do not do new bikes. We sell a lot of used bikes, but they're 100% ready to walk out the door, 100% safe. We actually do a road test, make sure that they're good, make sure the brakes, we actually have a brake test we do before they leave the shop here. Pretty much we do what needs to be done to get these bikes up and running and out to you guys, because that's what's number one on our goal, is to get you guys bikes and get you guys on those roads and get them on the paths. I have a good relationship with Machinery Row to go and fix their bikes on trails. And if you're having problems with anything on the bike trails, like the one on Rotary Trail here, we can come out and fix you guys right up, get you going. If you have a flat tire, we can help you fix that up. A lot of calls we get is a lot of chains that are broken, they snap. We'll come out and we'll take care of that for you, no problem. We're happy to help you guys out with any questions. Just give us a holler, we'll come out.